our first meeting. Sorry about that. So why are we here? We're all interested in machine learning. There's things like autonomous driving. There's traditional machine learning algorithms, biomedical uses, and even Tinder applications using AI. So if you're interested in ML, you can either take a machine learning where we can go over new technology. We have collaboration outside of class, and we also have a lot of community and networking. So if you want to work more on machine learning outside of class, you can come to the club, talk to other people, collaborate on different projects, and learn something new. So, last semester, was our first semester as a club. We had a lot of great activities. We hosted workshops for things like data processing, Kaggle competitions, GANs, and PyTorch. We also had 2 guest speakers come in, talk about reinforcement learning and natural language processing. And we also had food at our last meeting. We're hoping to continue that, find funding for additional food. So I'll hand it over to Gaurav, who's going to talk about our core content for this semester.
Hi, so I'm Gaurav Kupa, and so the core content for our semester primarily includes 3 things: hands-on workshops, paper discussion groups, and group projects and presentation. For the hands-on workshops, we have various topics such as traditional machine learning, implementations on how to use PyTorch, build a neural network, build image classifiers, and more. For paper discussions, we analyze an academic paper on deep learning and machine learning and discuss it as a group to allow everyone to have a better understanding of it. So we build a group of people who can communicate and talk about the ideas in the paper or ask questions about concepts they don't understand. And then the last thing was group projects and presentations. As a part of the Machine Learning Club, we would like to encourage our members to have their own projects. And this would be a great place for you to find collaborators if you have any project ideas. I know the officer team and last year's alumni have already started projects, and we're continuing to work on those projects. And those are things that came from this club. So we hope that you guys have more projects, and we plan to have more as well. So for the workshops, they're hands-on follow-along coding. So usually in the form of a Jupyter notebook, which is an online interactive notebook. If you don't know what that is, we can get into that later. The best way to kind of get involved in this club is by developing your own workshop. So the way I kind of got really involved in ML at SJSU was I came to a tutorial workshop, and I saw that I could probably learn a lot by actually trying to present a workshop on neural networks. And so I gave it a shot, and it helped me learn a lot and helped all the other people learn as well. So it was a great experience. I invite you guys to join our community to make an impact in terms of your education and other people as well. So for reading groups, with such a rapidly moving space like machine learning, keeping up with these papers is very important. And for some tasks, you need to know how to read these papers and how to analyze them. And it's great to have a group of people to understand what's actually happening in these papers. And that's a difficult task. So having a group is great. So we really emphasize reading groups as well. And we really encourage you to ask questions and suggest papers that you think are interesting topics. So this slide is about projects. So we encourage you to, if you have project ideas, collaborate with people in the club. We can look to find practice presenting these technical topics, and that way you can be prepared to pitch your presentation or project to whoever you need to. The most active part of the most active way to get in touch with this club outside of our club meetings is via our Slack online community. We have various channels. You can browse through them in your free time. I think the link for the Slack channel comes in later. But if you guys are involved in this club, the Slack channel, we like to keep the Slack channel updated as well. And so we like. It's great to have a class to learn machine learning, but we want to emphasize on the community of this club. It is a great part of this club, and that we think is very unique, and we hope that you guys
Just turn on the presentation. Go. Just do it.
Cool. And so we're a community, so we like to help you guys and you guys to help us, and that way we can just make everyone leave this club room every Friday at 6 p.m. satisfied of learning more and more about machine learning every day. And we want to, you guys have the opportunity to help create this community. To create improvements from last year, we realized that people in the deep learning community have interests from various fields. And in order to combine that and to emphasize the community, we came with the idea of creating committees. So with committees, you can now join the topics you are now interested in. You can become an expert in this topic by actually leading these tutorials, workshops, and trying to engage yourself in learning with the people that are interested in the same ideas as you are. The way that we have our schedule set up for the semester is kind of works on an alternating schedule. 1 week you'll be working on your committee, working with your committee or on projects, and then every other week a committee will host a event, whether that's a paper reading or a workshop, and then the next week you have time to work on your committee related work and host an event, etc., etc. So committee project Fridays. So this is when you meet with your committees or with your project groups, and you can brainstorm. And so the goal on these Fridays are to learn with your group. We really encourage you guys to group study tutorials if you have a topic you're interested in, to read papers, to create projects, and to share code, to develop these workshops that you will present the following week, which are the Club Event Fridays, where a chosen committee, this committee will be predetermined, they can decide an event, put on a workshop, a reading group, a lesson, or a presentation. And we like for this to be deep learning related and related to the idea of your committee. This way, we created this 2-week system, alternating 2-week system, such that everyone can learn and help other people learn as well. So thus far, the committees that were suggested by you guys are on the screens, like reinforcement learning, vision, GANs, etc. If you guys have any ideas for committees outside of the ones that are on the screen, or even if you want to express your support for the ones on the screen, please go to this tiny URL right now. You guys can pull out your phones to do it right now. Just go to this website and just vote for what committees you would be interested in joining.
And don't worry if you guys you're like totally new to this and you don't have any idea of what to even start a committee. Like, go ahead and put like some general vague idea you might be interested in machine learning about. Let's say like self-driving cars. We might be able to link you to a committee that you might be very interested in.
This is not committing to a committee at all. This is just so we have an idea about what people like. Because as an officers team, we have interests, but we want to involve you guys as much as possible. So we want to know what you're interested in. So just the interest form, yes.
I don't have access to it.
Oh, that's great.
You need to sign in your San Jose State Union.
Beneficiaries of being an official member, outside of being on our website and being showcased on our website. And so ways to be an official member is to create content with your committee, to be an active participant, so attend to 2/3 of the meetings in a semester, and or to create a project with the club. Jamie?
Here are some things that you wanted to do to obtain all those good stuff that Gaurav just talked about. So we will meet every Friday here from 4 to 6. And during that time, so the idea was we don't want to give you any homework to do at home. So all we want is you just come, in those 2 hours, you can learn something. Okay, so to do that, here are some steps you need to do. First one, join our Slack group. And here is the link. And once you're there, there's a channel. You can introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about yourself, like what you're interested in, and what is your background, and which year you're in, and what you have already know, and what you're looking forward to learn. And then it's just come to meetings. It's very easy. Our first workshop will be next Friday, right? And yeah, so if you have any new ideas, like I have a really cool paper, I want to read about this, tell us. If you have your idea, you want to do something, but you don't know how to start, let's discuss. So we can do all the things through this lab. So, are you guys cool with that? So can you join this if you are interested in? Yeah, I will show this later. So, meet the officers. So we have a bunch of cool people here. I will let them introduce themselves, like one by one, so that everybody knows. Jason, want to start?
Okay, I'm still recording. I'm Jason. I'm an officer from Machine Learning Club. I'm second year MSCS student here at SJSU. I'm graduating this May. Yeah, feel free to ask any questions if you have. Welcome to the club.
I'm Gaurav. I'm a third-year computer engineering major. I joined the club last year as a member, and this semester I am an officer.
Hi, I'm Gaston. I'm a fourth-year SE undergrad. I look forward to creating some cool content with all of you.
And hi, I'm also Jason. So, yeah, confusing. But I'm the treasurer, so I'm gonna try and get some funding to get us some really cool events, some good food, all in all that stuff. But yeah, look forward to working with you. Officer misspelled all that?
Yeah.
It's right there, yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright. Hi guys, my name is An. Yeah, I am responsible for all of the web stuff and the server side, finance stuff, and for the club. Yeah, that's what you guys.
Hi, my name is Chinmay. I'm in first year master software engineering major, and I look forward to meet you guys in later meetings.
Oh, hi everyone, my name is Gyoho. I'm a computer science major, and this year, last semester I joined the club, and then I become an officer this semester. Welcome, guys.
Andrew.
Hello everyone, I'm Andrew. I founded this club last year and I was the president last year, but I also graduated last semester. So right now I'm working at an AI research startup doing deep learning for computational photography. So I'm really happy that there are so many of you here interested in this club and really excited for the new semester. Welcome.
Hi everyone, my name is Jing. I'm the vice president of this club. So Andrew and we are in the same class last semester, the semester before last semester, and then we started to think about this idea and found this club. I personally found it's very interesting and useful, even though I'm very, very new to computer science like 1 or 2 years ago, but now meeting with all those people, I can ask all kinds of questions, and they help me a lot in doing projects and homeworks. So it's a great way to learn from each other. Welcome, definitely come.
Hi, my name is Eric. I'm the president for this semester, and I was an officer last semester. I'm a second year CS grad student, aiming to graduate in May. I attended a lot of fun events in this club here last semester, and I hope to create more for you guys to participate.
So Dr. Fabio Detroit and Dr. Tim Roll will be, they are our advisors. So if you have any questions, we're sure that we have someone to help us. And this is the website that Anne created. It's really awesome. Make sure to check it out. And we have all the photos and all the previous workshops and tutorials that we have. So feel free to check them out. And if you have any questions or the emails, Eric and me, feel free to contact us and ask whatever you want to know.
We have our YouTube channel too.
Yeah, we also post our videos
Yeah.
up there. So if you cannot make it to the meetings or the workshop, you still have access to the videos. That
You can share that with your friend.
Yes.
And our last year,
And
all the
subscribe.
events from last year. Subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go back to sorry. I'm gonna go back to the slides that you can join. So the most important thing is join our Slack channel so that you can have all the information, all the updated events, coming events, and guest speakers, everything. Any questions?
Does everyone know what Slack is?